Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, May 9th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. You need to finish our project called What's in Your Bag. That is our 20 M&M bag that we had that we are going through, and we are figuring out frequency and different things like that. We also need to create a bar graph, label it, and use the appropriate information. In science, there's an optional review. This is a worksheet that you could pick up in class today. Remember, all Malabar money is due by May 17th, $4 owed to Ms. Falk. And social studies, you need to study for your Europe map because we have a quiz tomorrow. And you also need to be working on your project because your brochure and your itinerary as a group is due tomorrow. Remember, with social studies, your group needs to have a trifold poster board by Monday at the latest. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, all AR points are due 8 days from today. It's Friday, May 17th. And you also have journal entry number 5 on Google Classroom. That is just a journal that wraps up the pages we read today, and it is online. Make sure you do that, type in complete sentences, and make sure you submit it. That is all for today. Everyone have a great Thursday.